Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the 429 error in Minecraft. The 429 error usually happens when the game or launcher sends too many requests in a short time and gets blocked. In the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations. Then go to the right side on the Latest Releases tab where you will see the play button and three dots. Click on the three dots and check the settings for that version. Next, disable automatic updates for Java because it can sometimes trigger the 429 error. Go into your Java settings or control panel and turn off auto update if it is enabled. Finally, restarting your view or restarting the launcher has worked for some users. If the error still appears, wait for a few minutes before trying again because 429 often means you have hit a temporary rate limit. You can also restart your internet connection to refresh your IP address and reduce repeated requests. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Minecraft launcher because outdated versions can sometimes cause this issue. If you are using mods, try disabling them temporarily to see if one of them is sending too many requests. These steps solve the most common causes of the 429 error in Minecraft and should help you get back into the game quickly. If it still does not work, you may need to wait longer or reinstall the launcher as a last option. Thanks for watching.